I've been living a dream for a long time now, just being a professional wrestler in the WWE. But this has been something I've always dreamt of ever since I've been here. It's the ultimate accomplishment. And beneath all this face paint, beneath all this craziness, man, I am a true wrestling fan at heart. And I could be no more happy than I am right now, because this is definitely the highest point in my career. And I don't know if we can get any better than this, but we're gonna see what we can do.
Had a pretty tough year. How emotional have the ups and downs of this year been for you?
I'm extremely emotional, through suspensions and through losing everything you own and your dog, some sad times in your personal life. I mean, extremely emotional, but, my dad taught me when I was real young, after our mother died, we can't just let this get us down, we got to move on, be strong. And through all of this that I've been through, I just keep continuing to move on and think beyond, the problems and beyond what's happening. You got to move on and stay strong and hopefully healthy, man. And I'm going to try to continue to stay healthy and very motivational, very inspirational to each and every person that comes around me.
At this point, who do you see as your first challenger for the WWE Championship?
Honestly, it really doesn't matter, because I've always told myself if I'm ever the champion, any and everybody are welcome to a title shot. And naturally, I'm not afraid of anybody. I don't fear anybody. So the door's open, and anybody's welcome.
Jeff, congratulations on achieving your lifelong dream.
Words can't describe how I feel right now, man.